Civil servants who once enjoyed a decent living standard during the government of national unity, earning a respectable $540 monthly, now struggling to make ends meet with a paltry $35. Yes, you heard me right. To understand the gravity of the situation, let's rewind a bit. During the days of the Government of National Unity, or GNU, Zimbabwe's economy was relatively stable. Civil servants, the backbone of public service, were fairly compensated. Enter President Mnangagwa's administration, and things took a nosedive. Salaries plummeted, and livelihoods were shattered. Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti hasn't minced his words on this issue. He's been vocal about the government's mishandling of civil servants' wages. According to Biti, the current administration's policies have wreaked havoc on the very people who keep the nation running. And he's not the only one sounding the alarm. Civil servants like Mbekazeli Dube have shared harrowing tales of financial hardship, painting a bleak picture of their daily struggles. Imagine trying to feed your family, pay rent, and cover basic necessities on just $35 a month. It's not just difficult, it's nearly impossible. This harsh reality has sparked widespread discontent and calls for urgent political and economic reforms. The voices demanding change are growing louder each day. Now, the government's stance is that they are paying what the country can afford. But is this truly the best they can do? Critics argue that it's a matter of priorities and effective management. There's a clamor for more transparency and accountability in how the nation's finances are handled. The plight of Zimbabwe's civil servants is a powerful reminder of the broader economic challenges the country faces. It's a call to action for leaders to prioritize the welfare of their people and to foster an environment where public service is valued and adequately compensated. So what can be done? Advocates like Tendai Biti suggest comprehensive economic reforms, better fiscal policies, and a more inclusive dialogue between the government and its workers. It's about building a system that works for everyone, not just a select few. As political enthusiasts, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged. The situation in Zimbabwe is not just a local issue. It's a reflection of the challenges many nations face in balancing governance and economic stability. Let's keep the conversation going. Comment down below your thoughts. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, take care.